bruv. I'ma live like a cannon off safety. I'm on a win streak, baby, you gon' hate me. You gon' hear me coming all the way.
Well, look who decided to show.
What's up, Mario? What's up, team?
Say what?
I said I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl, creep, creep.
Who you got?
I got my homies from Grape Street. Why?
Say what?
I got my G's from the CPT.
Who else?
I got my dogs from the crawls, the ruthless land that's down with the EAZYE. Now, early in the morning I wake, thinking about these dead fools' life that I had to take. Frontin' on a true name, now peep game at point blank range.
Easy buck, easy buck.
Back to the set as I jet, not giving a fuck about the that I wet. That's what he got a shot for acting like a trick. Now he's 6 feet and I'm deep in his
Trick.
Creeping, creeping, creeping on the marks that be sleeping. Catch him slipping, slap the clip and buck him every weekend. A scandalous little
Villain.
with no heart to feel remorse.
Dig up the foolish core.
Leave it on his mama's porch. Don't give a fuck
Damn.
about shit, that's why I'm mellow. Or maybe it's the fact that I'm kin to the devil. A psychopathic
Thriller.
that's always quick to filler. Full of liquor, I'm a
Sick ass, sick
killer.
ass.
Thriller from Manila, though I'm shorter than the average. Try and test your luck and get bucked by
Down the ass, savage.
I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl, creep, creep.
Say what?
I said I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl and I creep and I crawl,
Yeah.
creep, creep.
Who you got?
I got my homies from Grape Street. Why? I got my G's from the CPT.
Who else?
I got my dogs on the cross, the ruthless land that's down with the EAZYE. Now, later on that night as I'm rolling, looking for a
Sucker.
I could get and pack a hole in, stopping at a light on a late night. Fire up a Philly blunt to get my head right. See some
Tricks.
slipping at a burger stand, and in my mind all I'm thinking is a murder plan. Creeping through the drive-through kinda slow. I got my high beams on the back of their folk. Yo, smoking on chronic with the rag down, not knowing I'm about to lay their ass down. Reach for his food, made my move, leaped out my Jeep and I creep kinda smooth. Put the gat to the
Mark.
dome, now he sleep. One shot to the top, body flopped on the seat. Beep, I dumped on the little skinny passenger.
The trick,
Screaming
the
in a
trick.
rage, so I blasted her. Smashed and I
What's up, big
got
dog?
about 5
Good to see you back.
Yeah.
Look at that big old beast in there. What's up, bro? Come on, Rich. How are you doing? What's up, big dog? What you running?
415.
415? What size? What kind?
Predictive audio level 4 on Surge 10K.
Oh shit, how's it like the surge amps?
I just got it last week. It's doing pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah, I had a Crossfire 6K for most of the year. And
Okay. What about the voltage?
I'm on 4 AGM, so it's like 14.4.
Okay.
All right, so the record will be established at 162.95, and that was the lower qualifying score. We have a 62.98, so we're sticking with the 62.95 as it is the lower of two scorers.
3, 2, 1.
All right, it's official. We've established a state record. Everybody give a round of applause. 162.95 is the official state record for Advanced 1.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1.
Good job, guys.
A bass battle to see who had the loudest car in the Central Valley. Listen to this. Whoa, look at her hair go. Cars from around the valley were displaying their best speaker system and then using a sound level meter to see who had the loudest car at the meet. It all happened at Audio Concepts Workshop near Highway 99 in Fresno, and this competition is also known as the Winter Showdown, and it's a way for drivers to safely display their car's full potential.
This is a safer format of not racing on the streets, not getting into anything, illegal as far as drugs and weird other things that people might do with their spare time. We promote a safe, fun environment that it's competitive.
It was $20 for cars that enter and $30 for higher class cars. They all competed for street cred and to see whose car had the loudest speakers on the street. Audio Concept plans to host more events like these to raise money for charity.
That looks beautiful, Ray. What you got in here, brother?
3 level 5 DC-18s, powered by 3 3500 Big Bends from US Acoustic, 2 Andrea amplifiers, 1 for the tweeters, 1 for the 8s, and of course you already see we got fucking shit paper because we stay shitting on them.
I love it.